Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set application time limit on Android. When you set up time limit on Android, you will be able to limit the users of your application by setting up a time limit till which you can use the application. When you set up time limit on Android, know that the app setting will be different according to the mobile phone that you are using. I am using Redmi mobile phone. Now tap on settings option on your mobile phone. Then look for digital well-being and parental controls. Then tap on digital well-being and parental controls. With that, here you can see your chart regarding your personal profile on your mobile phone. Now tap on your chart. Then here you can see the users chart. Now scroll down. Now here you can see a small clock icon on the side of the application. Tap on the icon. With that, now here you can set up timer for that application. You can set the minutes and hours till which you can use the application. Then tap on OK. With that, the timer will be set. As you can see here, I have set my timer for my YouTube application for 2 hours and 25 minutes. You can do this for another application as well. This is how we can set application time limit on Android. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.